there, thank you for stopping by. I'm Kim Randall, also known as @_Kim Randall on Twitter. First, let me start by saying that I personally believe that there is a place for every brand, whether personal or business, within social media today. Social media is not only amazing, but it's constantly evolving. So a little bit about myself. I've been working online for about 3 years with and for several different companies. I started out as a brand strategist for a company whose primary location was in fact within the virtual walls of Second Life. I helped start a startup internet-based company, and to make a long story short, I've chosen to go out on my own so I can help several brands create positive images through social media. Let's be honest, social media is not just Facebook and Twitter. It's about providing awesome content, dominating search, and researching new platforms and tools online. I would like to invite you to click around my site and learn more about who I am and what I do and how it can in return benefit you. Remember that the internet is changing daily, and so should your social media campaign. Thank you once again for dropping by.